Hello kids, welcome to my video. Let's learn some fruits. Apple, banana, strawberry and avocado. Now let's color. Let's start with the apple with red color. We have red apple. Perfect. Try to draw and paint an apple with me. Okay guys, now we have a red apple and then let's color with green. Let's color the leaf. Perfect. I love it. Now let's color the banana. Banana start with letter B. With letter B, we have a delicious banana. Do you like banana? I love it. Perfect. Now we have a yellow banana. Perfect. Okay guys, now let's color the strawberry with red. I love red. And then let's color with green. Dark green. The strawberry have green leaf. Strawberry start with letter S. Strawberry start with S. Perfect. Okay guys, now let's color the avocado. First with dark green. And then we have light green. Wow, perfect. We have a colorful avocado. I love it. And then let's color with brown. Perfect. Wow, I love it. Okay guys, now we have 4 different fruits: apple, banana, strawberry and avocado. I will see you in the next video. If you want to see my next video, subscribe and like. Love you so much. Bye-bye.